Alright, so this is a video on centripetal force. I'm redoing the video, so that's why everything's written down. So the definition of centripetal force is basically the force that causes an object to turn. We have an equation here for centripetal force, which is mv squared over r. And the equation is not really an equation at all. It's more so a measurement. And the measurement is the value in which the other forces in the situation have to be greater than in order to force an object to turn. So, just more things about centripetal force is that the faster you want something to spin, the more centripetal force you have, and that makes sense. It's just directly proportional. So we have a few examples here. The first one we'll go over is a car enters a turn with the radius of 50 meters. The coefficient of static friction between the tires and the roadbed is 0.20. With no units, what's the max speed the car can turn? Like I said before, this is a measurement in which the other forces must supersede in order for it to cause an object to go in a circle or a turn. So essentially, the equation has to be the force of the the tire on the roadbed has to supersede or be greater than the the centripetal force. So centripetal force is mv squared over r. So we can plug in everything we have to try to find the max velocity. So we don't know the mass yet. Let's do that. We know that the acceleration of gravity is 10, and we know the static friction equals, we don't know the mass, we are looking for the the velocity, what am I talking about? And we have the radius is equal to 50. So we have 2 equals mv squared over 50. So then we have 100 equals, 2m. 100m equals mv squared. We'll cross out the m. So v is equal to 10. Right? So the max velocity, or the max speed the car can turn, is 10 meters per second. We have another example that I'll get into in the next video.